The first day, we will use masking fluid on flowers. Okay, so today topic is sunflower. This reference photo from Pixabay. So okay, this, and I finished sketch on the small sketchbook used 2B pencil, and then today's materials: 2 cups of water, color ultramarine deep, cobalt blue, sap green, permanent yellow light, yellow ochre, vermilion, burnt umber, burnt sienna, masking fluid, and watercolor paper, brushes, 2H pencil, and brushes, used brush one for masking fluid, and eraser, paper towel. Okay, let's start to sketch with 2H pencil on the 7x10 watercolor paper. Okay, first draw a circle shape for flowers. This is main character flowers. Yes. Use multiple light stroke to achieve these lines. This sunflower has many petals. Draw center to edge. Here is stem. I'm going to pedal. I draw a little bit bigger than now, so I'm going to fixing it. I'm going to draw 2 more sunflowers far in the distance, here and there. We will draw 2 flowers, make blurry, paint blurry. Okay, a great composition has odd number characters, so we drew 1, 2, 3 of flowers. Okay, move to next step, apply masking fluid. Okay, we have used masking fluid in chapter 2-2 cornflower. Therefore, we can use familiar with masking fluid. Apply a lot of masking fluid on the flower. We can use old used brush and thin wooden stick, no matter what you have. I'm applying masking fluid using these brushes. Use the back end of the brush, make to sharp the edges of the petal. Today we will use a hair dryer for masking fluid to dry. Is all masking fluid dried, apply water on the entire paper 1 or 2 times. Wetting the paper fully. First, we will paint on the sky. So mixing ultramarine deep into cobalt blue. Cobalt blue and ultramarine deep and put on the sky. On the flower area, around the flower area, here and there, foreground and far in the distance. Okay, that's enough. We are going to tilt the paper. Tilt the paper back and forth. Again, tilt the paper. These colors will be mixed and spreaded each other. So therefore will be made looking nature. Take some ultramarine deep and cobalt blue, adding on the sky second layer. Around the flower area, taking a bit sap green into cobalt blue for paint leaves. I'd like to paint flowers far in the distance first. So I got some yellow and mix yellow ochre, a little bit of vermilion. Putting on the far in the distance flower. Come back to mix green and yellow ochre. Sap green mix yellow ochre. Adding this mixture on the background. Here and there. It will be leaves and stems. This will be stems. Take some dark green. Push your brush, the paper, firmly and fully. This is big leaves. Adding some yellow ochre. Draw another big size of leaves. Push the paper firmly and fully. Touching the paper here and there. We are taking some yellow mix burnt sienna. Draw on the center of the flower. Adding burnt sienna on the background. We can see this color on the reference photo, but we adding some different color between leaves, just green, so we can make some different feel and different colors on the background. So we gonna get some abstract effect on the background. Tilt the paper again. Because this paper is still very much wet. And then we're gonna use salt on the background. So we are gonna adding some little more dark color on the background area. After drying, the salt make a white space on the paper, but does not remove all of the color completely. It will make an abstract effect on the background. This salt technique is when the paper is still wet, sprinkle a little bit of salt here and there. This is salt. So sprinkles on the paper, little bit of salt here and there. If there is too much water, the effect will not work properly. You can use sea salt or table salt. We can use both. I'm using sea salt now. Okay, today's work all done. We are going to finish this work next time.